Have you ever wondered what a day on a Disney cruise is really like? In this video, I'll walk you through it, from that first cup of coffee in the morning all the way through the fireworks lighting up the night sky. Because if you've ever dreamed of a day that blends relaxation, adventure, and pure Disney magic, here it is. Mornings on a Disney cruise are one of my favorite parts of the day. Even though you're on vacation, getting up early to walk the ship can be the perfect, relaxing start to your day. If you're lucky enough to have a room with a view, you wake up, open the curtains, and see nothing but endless blue ocean, or maybe the first glimpse of a new port. If you're like me, and the most important part of starting your day is a strong cup of coffee, you'll want to know that your cruise room will not have a coffee maker unless you're staying concierge. For that first cup of coffee to wake you up, you'll need to go to the breakfast buffet, the restaurant open for breakfast, or head to the beverage station on the pool deck. If you're wanting more than a basic coffee, head to either the Cove Cafe or another coffee bar located on the ship. Those specialty coffees will be an extra charge, but make sure you get a punch card so that you can earn your free one. Alright, once we've got a plan for coffee, it's time for breakfast. You can head to the buffet for a casual start. Think Mickey waffles, omelets, fruit, pastries, etc. My personal favorite on the buffet is the oatmeal with toppings. If you're not feeling the buffet, or if you'd like a quieter breakfast experience, you can enjoy a sit-down meal in one of the main dining rooms where servers will bring you coffee refills with a smile. You can find out which restaurant is serving breakfast in your handy cruise app. Once breakfast wraps up, the ship is buzzing with activity. The beauty of a Disney cruise day is you can do as much or as little as you want. Families might drop the kids off at the Oceaneer Club, where they'll get to play games, build crafts, and meet characters in a smaller, interactive setting. Meanwhile, adults can join a trivia session, get in a workout, or just take a stroll on the deck with that coffee refill. There's always something happening. Towel folding demos, animation classes, character dance parties, even the latest Disney movie screenings in the theater. It's the kind of morning where every turn of the ship offers something new to explore. By late morning, the pool deck starts to fill up, so if pool time is crucial to your crew, make sure to avoid that midday chaos. This is a great time to grab your suit and head to the water slide. Each ship's slide option is a little different. If you're sailing on any ships other than the Magic or Wonder, the Aqua Coaster slides are a must-try, especially if you catch it right when it opens. For families, there's the main pool deck and splash zones. For adult, there's Quiet Cove, a peaceful, adults-only pool area with comfy loungers and a full bar. So, grab a refreshing drink, take in that Disney classic movie playing on the funnel vision, and just soak in that sea breeze. It's the kind of relaxation that only happens when you know everything is taken care of. When lunchtime rolls around, you've got plenty of options. You can grab a quick bite from the pool deck. Think burgers, tacos, pizzas, and soft-serve ice cream that's basically available all day. Or head back to the buffet for salads, pasta, and themed dishes that change daily. Again, if you're not a buffet fan or you need a break from the crowds, check that app and head to the sit-down restaurant for lunch. My personal tip? Make sure you grab some tasty chicken tenders with honey mustard. These may look basic, but trust me, there's some Disney magic in them. After lunch, the day keeps rolling with even more Disney magic. You might run into Captain Mickey or Minnie in their cruise outfits, which, by the way, make for the cutest photos. There are also organized character meet and greets, dance parties, and sometimes even surprise appearances in the atrium. My best Disney cruise day is a character dance party day. Keep an eye on the app for when this is happening on your sailing. This is the most fun way to hang out with all your character faves. If you're sailing with little ones, this is also a good time to sneak in a nap or movie break in your stateroom, especially before the evening excitement begins. For adults, there are spa appointments, wine tastings, or maybe a trivia challenge in one of those lounges. Are you needing help planning your perfect Disney cruise? You've come to the right place. I'm a Disney travel planner who thrives on helping families plan their perfect Disney memories. Want to know the best part? My services won't add any cost to your trip, and you can even save money because when you book with me, you'll receive an onboard credit. Evenings are where Disney cruises truly shine. You'll head to your rotational dining restaurant where your servers follow you to a new location each night. Keeping the same servers as you rotate is one thing that makes Disney stand out from other cruise lines because they'll remember your drink order and preferences for your entire cruise. Restaurants will vary by ship, but Disney rotational dining will guarantee you get to try them all. Dinner is multi-course and always delicious, whether you're trying something adventurous or sticking with familiar favorites. Here's a pro tip. If you're feeling a little adventurous but also want to make sure you'll have something you enjoy, order them both. You can order multiple items from each course and it's all already included. My perfect Disney day would include dinner at Palo. Palo is one of Disney's signature restaurants. This is an additional charge but always worth it in my opinion. Palo offers amazing service and truly delicious food. If you're taking a longer cruise, splurging on a dining experience at one of the signature restaurants is a great way to add a little more variety to your dinners. After dinner, it's showtime, unless you have the late dining time, which would mean your show is before dinner. Each night there's a Broadway-style production like Frozen, Beauty and the Beast, or Disney Dreams. They're full-scale theater productions and every bit as magical as what you would see at the parks. And just when you think the night is winding down, the sky lights up. Disney is the only cruise line that does fireworks at sea, and it's an incredible sight. These will usually be only one night of your sailing, and it's usually on Pirates Night. Pirates Night is a party where characters dance on stage in adorable gear, music fills the air, and fireworks burst right over the ocean. It's one of those moments where everyone, kids, parents, and even grandparents, just stop and watch in awe. By the time you head back to your stateroom, you're full of good food, laughter, and Disney memories. You'll find your bed turned down, a towel animal waiting, and maybe even a piece of chocolate on your pillow. Need an extra snack before you crawl into that comfy bed? Order some room service. It's free. The perfect end to the perfect Disney cruise day is cozying up in bed, enjoying a room service dessert, and taking in your favorite Disney movie classic from the movie library on your TV. Every day on a Disney cruise feels like the perfect mix of relaxation and Disney magic, the kind that makes you smile even as you drift off to sleep, already excited for what tomorrow will bring. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Disney cruise tips and first-hand experiences. Want to get your cruise planning started? Scan the QR code on the screen to send me an email. And tell me in the comments, what part of a Disney day are you most excited for?